an eye to believe. The country needs both to be awakened. Eyes that have captured the past, envision the future. A future with a bird's eye view, a perception of truth. Perception from the eyes forms the point of view for the nation. A greater vision is needed to make a nation. A vision that truly depicts India. India that is poised to lead the world tomorrow. As India confidently sets its eyes on a glorious future, we provide the eyes that protect and support. We are India's leading security and surveillance product manufacturer. We, at Prama Hikvision India, make a varied variety of security products that help us touch millions of lives across India and the world. Our belief in Government of India's Make in India mission is reflected in our new ultra-modern manufacturing setup near Mumbai that is spread in a vast expanse of over 9 lakh square feet. This state-of-the-art facility has a capacity of producing 8 lakh high-quality cameras and 1 lakh back-end devices per month. All of this by our highly skilled Indian youth. With our intricately spread network across India and a dedicated workforce of over 2,000 employees, we are here to safeguard you.